Using the 9 square grid as a guide, we start by drawing our turkey's pilgrim hat, the top, sides, and then bottom before drawing the strap and buckle on the brim. Remember to slow or pause the video as needed to help you draw. After the hat is drawn, you can work on the head and face. Draw a bowl-like shape under the hat, using the grid lines as a guide as to what size to make it. Then draw a triangle for his beak, attaching the remainder of the facial features. This scallop design around his neck really isn't part of a turkey. It is, however, part of his pilgrim's outfit to make him look like he is in full Thanksgiving attire. His body is drawn like an oblong egg, but a bit larger. Don't forget to add the wavy lines in the center portion to make it look like feathers. Remember, nothing needs to be perfect. This is a fun drawing cartoon. Next, we will add the feet. They are nothing more than 3 claws sticking out from 2 thin legs that appear similar. Now on the left side of the picture, which is the turkey's right side, draw his wing extended as if he is waving. The opposite wing will be down at his side. All you need to do now to complete your drawing is to follow along drawing his back and tail feathers. You're doing great. All you have left to do is color your drawing. I have shown you how I would color a cartoon pilgrim turkey, but you can color it any way you like using whatever you like. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving Day, my friends.